Welcome to EUPrivacyForAll, Session 63 under the GDPR, Article 71, Reports of the Board. Article 71, regarding the reports of the European Data Protection Board, lays down that the Board shall draw up an annual report regarding the protection of natural persons with regard to processing in the Union, and where relevant, in third countries and international organizations. The report shall be made public and be transmitted to the European Parliament, to the Council and to the Commission. This annual report shall include a review of the practical application of the guidelines, recommendations and best practices referred to regarding the GDPR implementation and BCRs, binding corporate rules, as well as the binding decisions in the frame of consistency. Directive 95/46 laid down in Article 30 that the working party had the obligation to draw up an annual report regarding the protection of natural persons in the community regarding the processing of personal data, and in third countries also, which each shall transmit to the Commission, the European Parliament and the Council and make public. What should accountable data controllers and processors get prepared for? The Board annual report will address data protection in the Union and, where relevant, in third countries and international organizations. This report will be made public and be transmitted to the European Parliament, the Council and the Commission. The annual report shall include a review of the practical application of the guidelines, recommendations and best practices regarding the general implementation of the GDPR and the binding corporate rules, as well as of the binding decisions taken in the frame of the consistency mechanisms. The question triggered now regarding this annual report is knowing whether it will be drafted by the EDPB, targeting a more practical and consistent application of EU data protection guidelines, recommendations and best practices.